In the growing trend of modern SUVs, we have forgotten our cute little hatchbacks that are efficient, reliant and cost effective. Today, we'll be discussing about this cute little hatchback, which is the Grand i10 Nios. So before we go on to the specifications of the car, we will talk about what monetary benefits Arsh Hyundai will be providing you today. We have benefits up to 75,000 on this Grand i10 Nios. So if you are interested in it, you can definitely contact us. So this comes with an 1.2 liter Kappa engine, and you get two transmission options, which is the 5-speed manual and the AMT transmission. You get two fuel options, which is the pure petrol and petrol plus CNG. Coming on to the looks of the car, this is how the front looks with piano black grille and this beautiful new shaped DRL on the car. Coming on to the side profile, you get R15 alloy wheels, diamond cut alloy wheels. You can see turn indicators on the light, roof rails, chrome door handles, request sensors. So this is how the rear of the car looks like. These are not connecting lamps, but you get this element which make it look like lamps, which make it look very beautiful from the rear. As you can see, you get a rear wiper, rear defogger, high stock lamps and shark fin antenna, Nios badging, and this is how the rear profile of the car looks like. Let's open the boot. 260 liters of boot space, make parcel tray which is detachable here and can be kept inside for a larger boot space if you need one, and that is how huge it can be. So this is it about the rear of the car. So this is all about the interior of the car. You can see there is dual tone dashboard, dual tone doors, white and black. So the white color makes it look more spacious, more enhanced. 8-inch touchscreen over here with all physical buttons if you wish for that too, and volume adjusters and tuning and everything. Hazard lights over here, 4 AC vents in the front, 2 in the center, 2 on the sides. AC here with buttons. This is how the steering wheel of the car looks like. You get cruise control and all the information system access from these buttons over here, and this is the infotainment system controls. Semi-digital instrument cluster where you can see the tire pressure monitoring system, range, fuel, everything on that small screen, and the odometer, which is analog over here, not digital. So you get C-type charging ports, normal USB charger and a secret lighting port where you can keep your phones to charge too. So here is how the interior of the car looks like. You can see there is cup holders, 2 cup holders and a storage space for your small stuff. Here you get a storage space. All 4 doors get bottle holders with some kind of side pockets, and that is all about the car. Manually adjustable IRBMs. So for the month of July, for our special viewers, we have benefits up to 75,000 on this car, and if you are interested and looking for a small hatchback for your daily commute, this could be a perfect car for you. So for more details, you can definitely contact on the numbers given below, and on the details visit your nearest Arsh Hyundai showroom for more details. They book a test drive today. Thank you.